ride is delicious. In the view, eating this is so delicious. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Imama and welcome back to World Game. Today I am going to take OREO delight and you can guide at you also. Let's start. Now let's start. So the wrapper. Now cut the paper. Wow, your food is looking so much delicious. Can I have a little while? I want to taste it. You can take it and can I take your drink? It's looking so yum. Okay. Yes, it is. OREO delight? Yes, it is. You guessed it right. And is it mango shake? Yes, of course. Let's try it. Mazedar. I'm having there or I have here. And you like, subscribe and share and also do comments. Thank you. Bye bye. Goodbye. Thanks for watching our videos.